This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. And last year, I reviewed the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro, and it did have a problem with the freeform pools that I tested it in. It just didn't do a really good job in the freeform pools. It would just make a left turn all the time, and it just wouldn't get full coverage. However, Aiper has updated their software, and as you can see from this updated video, it does a great job in a freeform pool now. Here's some footage of it in my pool, and I filmed it at night so that you can get a distinct feel for it versus the previous version, which I filmed in a daylight. And you can see that it's actually getting full coverage of the pool. It's going into the deep end on one side, into the deep end on the other side. It's crossing the entire pool, coming back again. It's crossing, it's cleaning areas, it's turning both directions. So from this clip, you can see that the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro has definitely been updated. The firmware definitely is much better. I even tried updating the old unit. They sent me a Google Drive link to update it. Could not figure it out. But this new one that I have here in this video, the 2025 version, has no problem at all getting full coverage. And I had it in the floors, walls, and waterline mode. But if you have this cleaner, you know that first it will work its way up the wall, clean the waterline, go back down. And then in the last hour or hour and a half, it'll spend the rest of the time on the floor of the pool. So I didn't want to put the other part in because it wasn't necessary. The floor of the pool cleaning was the main focus of this video to show you that they've improved it. But it does do a great job of the walls and waterline as well. So I wanted to give you an update on this cleaner. And now that it's working effectively in freeform pools, you're safe to order it for freeform pools. And a newer version of the Scuba S1 Pro uses a new debris canister that filters down to a pretty amazing 3 microns. And I was never a fan of the insert that goes in here that's supposed to trap debris down to 3 microns. I thought it was highly ineffective, but the canister now will trap debris down to 3 microns, which is a great upgrade. And it features a very large debris opening on the bottom. And of course, this cleaner picks up leaf debris and dirt with no problem. So that was not my issue with the cleaner. The issue was that it didn't clean the floors of the pools well in a freeform pool. But that is behind it. And if you're looking for a solid cordless robotic pool cleaner that gets full coverage of the pool, that works really well, that's really well made and has a lot of great tech, the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro would be a great choice. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.